Thanks for staying home. If you're like me, you want to use all the leftovers in your fridge. This is my recipe for ration wraps. I've chosen to use chicken, but you can use whatever leftovers you have on hand. Hi, I'm Michelle Marshall. I'm a chef and culinary nutrition expert. I'm also a wife and mother of 5. My goal is to teach others how to make delicious, nutritious food for their everyday lives. Today, the ingredients we're going to be working with are roasted chicken, rice and peas, carrots, plantain, cabbage, and avocado, as well as these multi-grain wraps. So right now I'm massaging the cabbage and the carrot, and I've added the ginger and the garlic to it, and some salt. I haven't added any kind of oil to it. I'm just letting my hands do the work of tenderizing the cabbage. So these are quarantine cooking wraps with all of our leftovers. They're quite delicious with any dipping sauce or salad dressing that you'd like to put with it, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. In the comments below, please let me know what was in your ration wraps, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe.